Do you like Chipotle Guac, but not a fan of its price? Well, today, I'll show you how to make guac at home for less, and with a twist I think makes it even better. Will you agree? Let's find out. I'll be using a mortar and pestle today, but you can easily just use a bowl and a spoon. To start, cut the avocado in half. I'm using a tool I found on Amazon, but you can just use a butter knife or a plastic knife to cut the avocado. Just don't use a sharp blade. It's easy for your hand to slip, and you don't want to have any injuries. Remove the pit and scoop it out. Next, add half a teaspoon of lemon juice, followed by half a teaspoon of lime juice. Mash up the avocado to your desired consistency. It doesn't have to be completely smooth. Some lumpiness can add a bit of character. Next, dice a red onion. How much you use is a personal preference. I like to use about 1/4 of a small red onion. Next, dice a jalapeno. I like adding about 1/4 of a jalapeno per avocado, but you can adjust to your taste. Now, add the diced jalapeno and onion, followed by half a teaspoon of cilantro and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together gently. Now, for the twist. Cut 4 cherry tomatoes in fourths and add to your guac. Continue to gently mix. You can serve it immediately or cover and place it in the refrigerator to eat later, but don't let it sit too long. Guac has a nasty tendency of turning brown quickly. As you can see, it's pretty simple to make. Now, while it might be more convenient to have Chipotle make it for you, is it really worth the markup that they charge? That's up to you. What's also up to you is whether you want to see more videos like this. If you do, click that subscribe button. I'd like to see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy your real, simple, and healthy life.